What's up guys, we are River, Corin and Mila.
And this is our 2-week trip around Iceland.
With child.
We have been travelling on and off since 2017 when we began North-South travels. We've journeyed across the world, lived in multiple cities, and in February 2021 welcomed our baby girl, Mila Iris. Now we endeavour to travel full-time as a family, showing how it's possible to travel with kids and live life on your terms. Next stop, Iceland. It was time to explore the land of waterfalls for ourselves. We were ready to road trip around the south side of the island, visiting both iconic and lesser-known attractions with a healthy dose of tantrums thrown in for good measure. Join us as we show you how to travel Iceland with your family. There's been ups, tears and dramas along the way, so you're in for a ride.
The drone has died and it's landed somewhere and I don't know where it is.
Hiya!
Yeah.
We've made it to Iceland! Caught red-handed. We're here, we arrived about an hour ago. We picked up a car, went to the supermarket, stocked up on some supplies, and now we are on our way to
Gullfoss Waterfall. It's just started raining, the drive is beautiful, there's still snow on the mountains. Iceland is delivering already.
As one of the main attractions in Iceland, it was unsurprisingly popular. It's free to see and there are purpose-built walkways and staircases leading to multiple viewing platforms, giving ample space for visitors to marvel at this incredible waterfall and feel its spray. The rain had subsided and we were blessed with sunshine and rainbows. It's easy to see why so many flocked to Gullfoss, and we're glad we managed to tick it off our list.
We've just driven 40 minutes to the wrong location.
Classic river.
Not classic river. It's not classic river. Anyway, we've got another 40 minutes to drive to the right location.
I mean, by this point, even Mila is in disbelief. The accommodation has 2 locations, so it is easy to make the same mistake we did. After inputting the correct address, we headed a further 40 minutes to our next location, but we weren't complaining. When the drive looks like this, the minutes quickly melt away.
It has just started to rain, but this place is going to be magical. So let me quickly show you. This is where we're staying, in one of these bubbles. Smooth. So before opening this door, you actually have to close this door. It keeps the actual bubble inflated. And this is our bubble.
It's pretty snug.
Pretty snug.
And it echoes.
And it's very warm.
Yeah, it's really warm. It's actually temperature controlled by the guys that run the place, but if you get cold in the night, there is a electric blanket underneath that you can, control yourself. And Misty will be sleeping with us tonight, won't you? They do accept kids, but they don't at the moment provide cots. So yeah, it's like up to you if you want to bring your own travel cot, or if you're happy to spend the night with co-sleeping, then either way, babies are welcome.
So Corin is putting Mila to sleep. So right now, I'm off to have a shower.
FYI, the shower is located back through the forest, so just for your reference, here's a quick recap of the conversation we had regarding whether to or not to shower.
What are you doing about showering later?
Well, no, I wasn't going to, but that's only because tomorrow we're going to a cabin that has like an inbuilt shower, and I don't really want to walk down the woods on my own in the pitch black with a lantern.
I don't know what that was. Good morning. How did you sleep?
Really well. How did you sleep?
I kept waking up. Stayed really light until really late, and then it got really light really early. But to be fair, we slept with Mina in the bed as well.
Which is the first time she's ever slept with us for the whole night.
And she done well.
Yeah, she did really well. I thought she was going to wake up a lot because, like River said, it was really light. She woke up a few times, but that just meant that we woke up and got to see it pitch black and there were so many stars out. Yeah. So, it was really amazing sleeping in this bubble.
Mina's been awake since 5:30.
Surround the Bible that I'm living in denial of these feelings that are probably there. I then recycle the suicidal, recycle the one that makes me disciple.
This is what it looks like most of the time. We love it.
Mila was completely wiped after spending all morning exploring and literally climbed in my arms to fall asleep, something she hasn't done for a long time. We packed up the car, settled her with her morning milk, which gave me some time to make up sandwiches for our journey.
Et voila.
A quick farewell to our four-legged friends and we were on our way to the incredible Seljalandsfoss Horizons. The drive continued to deliver, spoiling us with waterfalls round every bend.
Mila, can you see the waterfall? Look at the waterfall.
The weather is, nice, the sun is shining, so we want to go over to the waterfall that's literally just round the corner. It says it's a 24-minute walk. Right here, we're next to the Seljalandsfoss Waterfall, one of the most famous ones, I'm sure. If you've Googled Iceland, you will have seen it. And we're literally around the corner from it, so we've put on our carrier and we're going to walk there now.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Classic river I'm covering.
No, classic river.
I didn't bring the tripod, so I'm going to have to run back. Love you. Love you. In a minute.
About time. Take time. What did you
If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi.
If you arrive by foot, you waive the car parking fee. It's then only a short walk to the foot of the falls. With the spray washing over our faces as we crossed the bridge, Mila and I decided not to venture behind the waterfall and instead leave that for River to experience and test the waters, quite literally.
Getting soaked behind the waterfall!
How was it? Are you soaking?
Absolutely dripping. Just absolutely soaked. To be fair,
Even your boots are wet.
to be fair, top half stayed dry because of my jacket, but because I'm wearing jeans, it's just gone straight through.
He soon dried off as we continued walking to a neighbouring waterfall. While it may not be as famous as its nearby friend, it certainly wasn't any less impressive. Hearts full and bellies hungry, it was time to head back to our lodge.
We had an eventful night last night, didn't we?
Yeah, poor baby was sick in the night.
She literally projectiled all of her dinner. So we have a bedroom downstairs. She was asleep in the bedroom with Corin, and she was sick in there, all over the bed. Then we cleaned her up, showered her, put her into the second bedroom upstairs, and she was sick again, twice. But it's okay, she's feeling better now. I think it was the dinner she ate, it really didn't sit well with her. But now she is fine, she's had some breakfast. But we just feel like we haven't slept because she was wriggling all night. Anyway, we're up.
Yeah, and we've got a full day. We're going to go across to Diamond Beach, which is the furthest point I think we're going to go on our journey this time.
Lunch made, bags packed, we hit the road, still not yet prepared for the immense beauty that awaits you as you journey along the south coast. The drive itself is roughly 3 hours. We timed setting off with Mila's nap time and had snacks on her iPad to entertain for the remainder of the drive.
As we were pulling up to Diamond Beach across the road, we saw these icebergs.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just don't even know what I'm looking at. Like, this is really unexpected. We were coming here for Diamond Beach, which is literally just across the road. And like River said, he noticed it as we were driving through. Like, you could see it through the mountains. It's insane. Have a look. There are
Let's go see the birdies.
Seals just appeared in the water right in front of the iceberg.
Yeah!
And the others getting very excited.
There are no words to describe this glacial lagoon. The floating icebergs are otherworldly and the iconic Diamond Beach is unlike any other. Black sand scattered with gigantic glistening pieces of ice, making for an unforgettable day and one that is incredibly interactive for kids. The next day brought the next adventure. 20-minute drive from our lodge is yet another awesome waterfall.
We are at Skógafoss Waterfall, and I think it's one of the most epic waterfalls we've ever seen.
Yeah, like we've seen a few during our travels, not just in Iceland but around the world, but this is epic. Like, it's huge, the sound is like deafening. And there's another rainbow, so that's 3 waterfalls so far and 3 rainbows.
If you have the time, the climb to the top takes no longer than 10 minutes and there are plenty of landings along the way if you need to take a break. It's totally worth it to see the falls from a different perspective, and on days like today, give you the perfect excuse to take a break, delve into your picnic and just take the time to pause and be in the moment. Plus, the way down is always easier than the way up.
We made it!
We did it! It's worth it. Definitely climb to the top if you come.
Tune in next week for more Icelandic adventures. There's tears, craters, bread baked in a geothermal bakery, food poisoning, oh, and we take a dip in a natural hot spring.